Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajing penbena jongga kenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance yau Dr. W. Kharluki kum ukurtong monlang haga election syaka ying dorbar thawain Rajya Sabha kala penlong ru ya seng Congress ban ki khore nak bentaban wat yau kurtong ban aireng persya yau kurtong jongga kenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka MLA jongga seng Congress ka Dr. M. Amperin Lengdo haga jing ekran bat unong lum khubor jongga Batesi TV kala ong baka Congress kala hap ban wat menta yau kurtong ban aireng persya yau Dr. Kharluki ubalong State President jongga National People's Party ka bayalam ya ka sorkar haga jela kat kum ka jing etho jongga Dr. Amperin baka jing ki khore jongga seng Congress ban sei yau kurtong kalong ban khanglat ya ka jing bun pai ka kanhon National Democratic Alliance balayalam daga Bharatiya Janata Party hapo ka yeng dorbar thawain Rajya Sabha hagani ka kenti kumban syukdaw hangne ka hamsaya kalapur wurwur werwer shani shatai baka Congress kalarai ban kersyan yau Dr. Jemino Mautho ladaw mi madan ban yakun yakane ka election persya yau Dr. W. Kharluki.
You know, we will not have an opportunity to choose. We will not have an opportunity to choose from a range of individuals. And another thing is that we were expecting to see some sort of how should I say? We were expecting to see some sort of an opportunity where we could also vote for a candidate rather than field our own candidate, because the Rajya Sabha, now we realize that the Rajya Sabha is a place where there are important businesses that are being conducted on behalf of the country. We've seen what has happened to various bills. Now those bills are being sent to the Rajya Sabha. And we know that a Rajya Sabha MP's presence in the Rajya Sabha domain remains even if a government goes out of office. We've seen how important the number game is. The CAB in 2016 could not be passed because there were still many members from the Congress in the Rajya Sabha. So probably a unanimity on passing of bills would still be, safe for the country. So in the event of them having a common candidate, now we will sit as a party, the leader of the opposition and the CLP. We will sit and review this matter, and it is yet to be seen what our next move will be. But we were hoping that we would find a candidate whom we could support. We saw that probably we would have a choice of candidates. We thought that coalition partners would be strong and stand firm on their stance on the entire movement that we see now gaining a voice in the state against the CAA. We've seen the need for the ILP and how it is being ignored by the government of India. We thought that political parties in the coalition would stand out and would protest and would look for an opportunity to send a person to the Rajya Sabha with an assurity that he will definitely sit there and discuss and fight for our rights. We've seen what happened in the Lok Sabha. We've seen how one of our MPs voted for the CAA. So we were hoping that there would be some sort of a balance. But in the wisdom of the opposition, in the wisdom of the Treasury bench, we leave it to their wisdom. And it is sad that that entire toughness that they showed about making sure they all fielded a candidate has actually fizzled out. We don't know what political compulsions make them think that way, but they are entitled to it. And we will have to be happy with that.
Kat bahakawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ula kentai war ya ka hamsaya bala pensapriang da kaseng Kongres bahkan ai jingkersyan yau General Secretary ka United Democratic Party u Dr. Gemino Mautho ladau aireng haga election MP shagi ying dorbar thau an jong Rajya Sabha kaban salong shen. U menteri rangba ulai thuru baka seng UDP kabalong gat khot jong kanhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala dep menjur ban kershan ba yu Dr. W Kharluki kum ukurtong monlang jong kanhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
And decision has already been taken in the meeting in which we decided on the candidature of Dr. Kharluki with the UDP. Mr. Gemino Mautho also was there. So I think these are rumors that are being spread by the opposition. There is no any kind of seriousness in it. The UDP is firm and the MDA as a whole is firm, and the candidature of the MDA is Dr. Kharluki. Well, they were present in the meeting, both the meetings that took place, and they were present also when the announcement was taken place. And in a separate meeting that was held between Dr. Kharluki and the convener, Mr. Teston Tinson, along with all the PDF members, it was unanimously decided even in that meeting. So yes, there may be rumors that are being floated around, but there is no truth to any of these rumors. We are very firm, and all the coalition partners are firm on the candidature of Dr. Well, if they lost faith, they wouldn't be part of the coalition. So they are part of the coalition, which means that they have faith in the coalition and the faith in the NPP and the leadership overall. Issues like these have been there, have been discussed, and we thrashed those issues out, and ultimately we came out with a consensus. It's very important to note that we have always encouraged healthy discussion among the MDA. Never has the NPP ever tried to bulldoze on any kind of a decision. And that is why you must have seen that we took almost about a week in consultation, and it's only after deep consultation and listening to everybody's points, including PDF, including Dr. Gemino Mautho, this decision was reached in the best interest of the MDA and the people of the state. That is exactly the point. It seems that Congress is confused on their own. It seems that Congress doesn't have their own candidature. It is sad to see that Congress is looking into another party to find a candidature. I think it clearly reflects the kind of mindset and the current status of the Congress. It is very sad to see that they could not find their own person. The issue was raised, and I was asked about this. I had mentioned in my press, conference that that we appeal to all, political parties and stakeholders that we should work together in the best interests of the state and peace of the state. And accordingly, many political parties have approached that we should call for an all-party meeting. And I have already, in fact, communicated to our Additional Chief Secretary in charge of Home and Political to issue the necessary notification. So we'll be calling an all-party meeting. We'll be calling other stakeholders also to ensure that everybody is on board. And yes, you're right. I think maybe some individuals had made some statements, but I think at this point in time, we should all look as responsible leaders who will work towards the best interest of the people in the state.